way you can't switch off the boat. Like which way? I'm like, well, we're gonna find out.
Sex chocolate, come on. Yeah, so play it on the stereo, play it on the disco, you jam it on the radio, you play it on the disco. Yeah, I went downtown for a walk in the other day. Every little thing is gonna be alright today. I said, Bobby, got you on the left hand side. Boom! Bobby, got you on the right hand side. Boom. Yeah, she not a bum. What am I saying? What am I saying? Yes, sir. I say she wake up in the morning, then you jump up in the tight. Every little music make me feeling so fine. I got my body over here, the camera in his hand. Be live over here in the road time. You jumping reggae music make me feeling so fine. Boom! The reggae music make me feeling so tight. The reggae music make me feeling so fine. She not a bum. Not a bum.
Oh, that was good, man.
Respect.
Two voices. De felicidad, olvidamos una soledad. Y porque me toca, tú le sientes su mano y tus pensamientos.
Hello, welcome guys. We're happily to have you here at La Cantina Latina, where we have nice live music, friendly staff. Come on, follow me, show you around. Hi, Mom. Here is paradise, where your journey begins and never ends. See that we are very busy today. We are happy and welcome to have you guys here with us. Come more often, come on over, come and spend your vacation with us. We'll be happy and friendly to have you here. Bye-bye.
Umbrella? Of course.